How to open live account in NetTradeX. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to open a live account in NetTradeX, firstly, open the NetTradeX application from your app drawer, and once you're inside this login page, go ahead and tap on Create New Account at the bottom of the screen. On the next page, select the live account option from the top and click on Go to Private Area. Now, you can go ahead and sign in or create your private area account if you don't already have one. Since we are creating a new account, let's go ahead and tap on Open Live Account at the bottom under Register Now. Now in the registration form, go ahead and select whether you'd like to register for an individual or corporate account. Make a selection and then under Given Names, type in your name, surname, write down an email you want to sign up with, create a password in the password box, select your country of residence from the next drop-down, and then enter your mobile phone number on the last. Make sure to type in your correct phone number. I'm just typing down some random digits over here just to show it to you. You will need to type in your own phone number you have access to. Finally, click on Register and follow through the instructions. There are 4 steps you'll need to complete. One is the registration. After the registration is done, go ahead and open up the live account. The next thing you want to do is to deposit some funds in it and then download the platform. Follow through the instructions and you'll be guided through the process. So right after you do that, you will be able to complete creating a real account. Involves actual financial risk. So make sure you understand the trading conditions, fees, leverage, and risk disclosures before depositing or trading. And that's how you successfully open up and add a live NetTradeX account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.